Imagine a world where every scientific discovery shakes the foundations of our understanding, a world where every breakthrough redefines reality as we know it. This is the world of science as we often perceive it, a world of exhilarating revelations and mind-bending theories, a world that thrills us with its relentless pursuit of the unknown. This is the world that is often showcased in media, the world that captures popular imagination. Now, let's shift our gaze to a less glamorous but equally significant aspect of science. This is the world of normal science, a world where scientists quietly and diligently work on refining our existing knowledge, improving our theories, and making practical contributions to society. It's a world where the pursuit of fundamental laws of nature is not the only motive. This world may lack the dramatic flair of paradigm-shifting discoveries, but it is equally, if not more, important. It is the world of normal science that has given us inventions like the laser and the transistor, inventions that have revolutionized our lives. But what if I told you, the true hero of scientific progress is often unseen, unsung, and unappreciated? Welcome to the world of normal science. While the world applauds the groundbreaking discoveries, normal science quietly lays the foundation for these breakthroughs. So what is this normal science we're talking about? It's the daily grind, the regular work of scientists theorizing, observing, and experimenting within a settled paradigm or accepted framework. It's not necessarily about the next Big Bang theory, but rather the systematic exploration of the known. It's the diligent inquiry into the established, the familiar, and the accepted. It's the tireless pursuit of knowledge within the boundaries of what we already know to be true. In the realm of normal science, scientists are not trying to overturn existing theories, but rather they're seeking to deepen our understanding of them. They're not looking to break the mold, but to fill it in, to add texture and detail to the picture we've already started to paint. They're testing hypotheses, refining models, and diving into the minutiae that often go unnoticed. Normal science contributes to the overall progress of science in a myriad of ways. It validates existing theories, ensuring that they stand up to rigorous testing and scrutiny. It uncovers new aspects within the established framework, shedding light on previously unexplored or overlooked areas. It's a process of continuous refinement and enhancement, building upon the knowledge we've already gained to push the boundaries of our understanding even further. You see, groundbreaking discoveries don't just materialize out of thin air. They're built on a solid foundation of knowledge, a foundation that's laid brick by brick through the painstaking work of normal science. It's through this relentless pursuit of understanding, this unwavering commitment to the scientific method, that we're able to make the leaps and bounds that push the frontiers of science forward. Without the tireless work of normal science, the groundbreaking discoveries that we celebrate would simply not be possible. You may wonder, how does normal science contribute to our world? Well, let's dive right in, shall we? Consider the invention of the laser. The laser, a tool so ubiquitous in our modern world, didn't spring from a grand revolutionary idea. It was the result of consistent, routine scientific work, the kind we term as normal science. The concepts underpinning the laser, such as stimulated emission and quantum mechanics, were studied for years before they culminated in this practical application. Today, lasers are used in everything from barcode scanners to surgical procedures, demonstrating the vast impact of normal science. Moving on, let's talk about the humble transistor. Much like the laser, the transistor wasn't born from a eureka moment. It was the fruit of steady, methodical research. The transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. It's the essential building block of modern electronic devices, and without it, the digital age as we know it wouldn't exist. The transistor, then, is another testament to the power of normal science. But normal science isn't just about creating new technologies. It also contributes to our understanding of the universe. For example, the study of the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, has been a normal science endeavor. This research has given us insights into the age, composition, and evolution of the universe. And let's not forget the contributions of normal science to medicine. From understanding the fundamentals of human biology to developing life-saving drugs and therapies, normal science plays a pivotal role. These are but a few examples of the many ways normal science has shaped our world. So why does normal science matter? Why should we care about the routine, everyday work of scientists? Well, let's delve a little deeper. Normal science, contrary to what the name might suggest, is anything but ordinary. It forms the backbone of scientific progress. It's the day-to-day work of scientists, the meticulous experiments, the constant questioning and testing of existing theories. This is where the magic happens. Think of normal science as a diligent detective, tirelessly revisiting the scene, seeking new clues and refining theories. It's not about sensational breakthroughs, but rather about the gradual refinement of our knowledge. It's about taking a well-established theory and saying, let's see if this holds true under these conditions. It's about taking a closer look at the world around us and nudging our understanding a little bit closer to the truth. But why is this important? Why should we value something that doesn't necessarily lead to headline-grabbing discoveries? The answer lies in the very nature of science itself. Science isn't just about the eureka moments, it's about the journey, the process of inquiry and discovery. And normal science is an integral part of that journey. Take, for instance, the invention of the laser. This wasn't a sudden, out-of-the-blue discovery. It was the culmination of years of normal science, of researchers exploring the properties of light, of countless experiments and tests. And today, lasers are a crucial part of our everyday lives, from barcode scanners to surgical equipment. Now, let's consider the transistor, another remarkable invention that emerged from the realm of normal science. It's a tiny device, yet it forms the basis of modern electronics. From computers to mobile phones, the transistor has revolutionized our world. And its development was rooted in the relentless pursuit of normal science. So the next time you come across the term normal science, remember its immense contribution to our lives. It's the unsung hero of the scientific world, tirelessly working behind the scenes, shaping our understanding of the universe. The value of normal science lies not in the spotlight, but in the shadows, quietly shaping our understanding of the world. As we venture into the future, let us not forget the importance of normal science. This often underrated element of the scientific process is the bedrock upon which the grand edifice of scientific discovery is built. Those of you who aspire to contribute to the realm of science, remember this. The most monumental discoveries are often the result of years, sometimes decades, of consistent, meticulous work in the trenches of normal science. The eureka moments that we celebrate, the paradigm-shifting discoveries that alter the course of human knowledge, are the crowning jewels of this relentless pursuit. While these moments are undeniably significant, they do not exist in isolation. They are the culmination of countless hours spent in laboratories, of endless nights poring over data, of innumerable normal days doing normal science. To those who dream of unearthing the unknown and pushing the frontiers of human knowledge, I urge you to appreciate normal science. Do not overlook the value of the everyday grind, the routine experiments, the seemingly mundane tasks that form the foundation of every scientific breakthrough. Because in the grand scheme of things, normal science is the workhorse of scientific progress. It is the tireless engine that drives the vehicle of discovery, steadily propelling us forward on the road to enlightenment. It may not be as glamorous or as thrilling as the moments of sudden insight, but it is equally, if not more, important.